Should have undid these screws before I started recording. Anyway, that's now out. Power split. Onto my GPU. And the front bit was my spinner. Try and get this switch down. One of the only things I like about Apple stuff is their slot design. They really got that right. I should have. Where the hell is the screwdriver? Hopefully, yes, that's out. Oh, this thing. I need to put this down for a minute while I try and get this out. Come on, work. All this is for a tiny screw. Aha! This thing is huge. There it goes. Moment of truth. This is where I hope I haven't got a dead card or something. And the things I can't understand about this board is why the screws are mounted like this. And the biggest things I don't like about it. There we are. That's now out. So the crooked angles of it. Lift that a bit like that. Then all you have to do is literally go one screw. Two screws, and I think I didn't even have one side that heat sink mounted. Odd. It's not there yet. A bit more screw. One bit more. Aha! Here it's out. Piece of metal. Good. Now I need my M.2, which I showed you in a previous video that I uploaded earlier on. Yes, it's in the exact right position. Of course. Okay. Now, this is how I size up. I really hope that does not fall. I just get this like that. And that's going to go on that slot right there, which on this board is the third standoff mounting point in. So then I just go jump. There we are. Tighten that. Get that in like that, and then check it reaches. Yes, perfect fit. Oh, here comes the headache bit. Oh, come on. This would work. I don't know how this works. There's such a hack to do this, but anyway. I just like leaning the camera on my desktop. And of course the screwdriver. has to be an easier way to do this that I'm just missing. Oh, come on. What, it reaches? There we are. It's harder to do this with one hand, I think. Now you just get that screw in and hope it doesn't fly up while you're trying to screw it in. Yes! It's in. Good. Nice neat fit. Oh, and of course I've got the camera upside down. There we are. Then you get the heatsink. This comes with this board. I don't know about other boards. I know my XG70 did not have heatsinks like this, I don't think. Ugh, here comes the headache bit. Trying to get off this. This is the moment where all the screws will probably just fall out or something, right? Here we are. Nope, surprisingly not. Thank goodness, that's nice. Then you just get this. Actually, back off. I'm not even sure what I'm capturing at this point. I'm just... Is that in there? Yes, I think so. Good, and then... Right. Screw then just goes in, which of course I picked up the wrong screwdriver. Got one tightly. Nice. And then screw that on a bit more. Tighten another screw. You just put that in recycling. What, and now this needs to go on at its weird angle. It does. Where is it? Line up. There we are. Nice. Screw is now in. Here's the other one. These screws are really hard to get replacements for, by the way, so do not lose them when you're doing this. So we just go in like that, and then see is it the right? No, it is not, and all I've done is pull out my screw. Damn. Ugh. Why? There it is. No, proper screwdriver. I'm not the best at recording, am I? Should have planned this out a bit better. Anyway. That's on. And SSD is now installed. GPU. Literally just goes first PCIe 16X slot. Like so. Once you get it in the right spot. Come on. I'll just sometimes be a bit fiddly with one hand. There we are. Nice. 6-pin, and this bit of tape actually covered up those white LEDs at one. I don't know how well it works anymore though, so just move it. And then I just jam that in there just to make it look a bit neater. Last few screws. Then I'll probably stop the recording and get the thing plugged in and try and power it up. Oh, is that dust? No, it's not really. Good. Would have been surprising if it had been dust. Did have to replace one of these fans though, the top one there, because the blade's breaking. Well, it is under warranty, so I got a new one free from NZXT. Compliments to NZXT on that, by the way. Very quick service. Only limitation is time zones, because they're in like the USA and I'm in Ireland, so yeah, causes a bit of an issue, but that's not their fault. Anyway, let's get this bit screwed in. Side panel next. There we are. Like that. 4 screws. There's one here. Do not over tighten these or you'll crack your glass. They only need to be finger tight. There we are. One more. I'll probably leave in my old Kingston SSD. Use it as like a storage drive or something. There we are. So far so good. Oh. First power on with the new SSD. F9 0D. Yeah, that should fix it. Yes! And we have a post. Let's check its detecting. Where is it? Monitor. Nope. Tool. Nope. Trying to find where it is. This probably here. Yep, here we are. Yes, it passed. Good. 240 gig. Here we are. My new SSD. There we are. Now. First boot. Not off the SSD yet. I want to run a quick speed test on my old one. That was a bit odd. Well, it boots up now, so... yeah, I'm not failing post, so... in the meantime, this is what I have at the back here. My mess of cabling. Type C. Internet cable. Cable going to my Bluetooth. Display port, power, and then my mess of cables behind there. But I'm in Windows, I think. Yep, this is off my old SSD. My monitor is crooked for some reason. Where's crystal? No, that's not it. Yes. Oh, that's not the right thing. Here we are. Close that. Not sure what that is.